Welcome to Nyali, Mombasa's crown jewel, a neighborhood that was already the richest in town, but in just the last 2 years, this has completely transformed into something even more luxurious. From stunning new high-rises to modern malls and a breathtaking beach that define its lifestyle, Nyali is rewriting what luxury living means in Mombasa. New construction projects are still ongoing, with fresh malls and stylish apartments reshaping the skyline every day. But what makes Nyali truly unique is the beach. The oceanfront not only boosts the value of beachfront plots and luxury apartments, but also gives residents the perfect escape with fresh air, swimming, and endless beach activities. Nyali is no longer just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle, a statement of wealth, and a symbol of Mombasa's growth. So watch this video until the end to have a full glance of this richest neighborhood in Mombasa. Let's begin. So guys, right now I'm in the area of Baobab neighborhood here in Nyali. And look what kind of apartment you can get them here. So this is the Baobab here. It's a brand new apartment. I love the design, the color and everything. So that's the Baobab road. Also we have the other apartments on the other side. Wow, this place is just amazing. Woo! Oh my god. Watu wazito tu ndo wanaingia huko kwa apartments. But yeah, this is how it is. Wow. So this is how it is. This is the other apartment. Others are under construction still. So more apartments are being built here. So if you need some apartments for sale and also for rent, another one coming out, Avok, 300 meters for construction. This one takes you to the Indian Ocean, to the beach. We'll go there soon. Just wait. But all of these are apartment. All of these are apartment, guys. Woo. So let's go this side because I want to show you something from this side. All of these are apartments here in Nyali. This is still Nyali. So by time I think they'll put some cabros here. But also here there's a hidden gym, which is called Kingston Beach Resort. Kingston Beach Resort. And look at the apartment. They are called Aqua Apartment. Aqua Apartment. Wow! So yeah, those are the apartments. They are called the Aqua Residence here in this area of Baobab. On the other side you have Baobab Wave, new apartment. You have several new apartments over here. So also we have another one at the end there. This is Kingston. If you want to come and swim, eat some food, you can come and enjoy yourself here in this area of Kingston Beach Resort. I love this apartment. There are so many blocks. We have block 1, 2, 3, on the 4, 5. Hey, there are so many blocks. Wow, this is nice. So when you're going this side, also we have several apartments on this side. So another apartment over here. Look at the design of this apartment, guys. Wow. Woo. Simchezo. This is Nyali, guys. This is not anyone else. This is Nyali. Kwamasos. World-class apartments over here. Wow. Look at that. So guys, what do you think about the place? Is it nice? Do you think you can live in Nyali? But guys, Nyali is one of the high-class neighborhood here in Mombasa. I think it is number 1 in Mombasa. Then it follows with Kizingo. But yeah, most of the rich and business people always live in this area of Nyali. That's why it is one of the top residential and neighborhood here in the area of Mombasa. All the apartments that I've shown you, high-class apartments, thousands of shillings for rent, and millions of shillings they have bought those apartments. So yeah, here people are not joking with money. People are making money to spend money and investing. So not a joke, guys. Wow. This is Nyali. Guys, this is our Nyali. So if you have never been in Nyali, these are the kind of buildings you can get here in this area of Nyali. This is a complete apartment. Wow. This is on the area of First Avenue. The Indian Ocean is just close here. So this is like the second row of the Indian Ocean. So this is the Baobab wave. The Baobab wave. You can see how beautiful it is. And also we have a place here, the Splash Park restaurant. Hey, Nyali, Nyali. Okay, we have another restaurant here which is called the Splash Park restaurant here in this area of Nyali. It is a beachfront restaurant, as you can see how it is. Nice beachfront restaurant. The Baobab wave is still here. Look how beautiful it is. So that's the Baobab wave. Wow, look at that. God, pray for money. Just give me money. Able to eat, to live better, and okay. That's the Baobab wave. So guys, I'm in the interior of Nyali. You can see everywhere is just nice roads. You can see that's a beach plot house over there, the gates and everything. Guys, this place is amazing. When you say high class, this is the high class area in Mombasa. High class. The people with money, mula, it's quiet. Yani huko kuna kusumbuana na watu. The roads are going to the estate like that. Wow, this is a nice and amazing, guys. Wow, this is good. Hey. And in the middle of kind of a forest here, but there's some houses on the over there. Sasa hii ile runda nyingine, ile runda ya Mombasa. Runda ya Mombasa ndo hii. There's a new mall here in this area of Nyali, which is coming up very well. Just close to the Shri Academy. We have a mall here coming up very, very nice. Still under construction, so we are waiting for it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. I've given you a tour of Nyali, like all the corners of Nyali. I've not covered it all, but you have an idea what Nyali is consists of. So many apartments, mansionettes, on compound houses, apartment for sale and for rent, like so many stuff. Yeah, it's evening right now. It's about to rain. As you can see, it's very cloudy. It's about to rain, so I'm heading home. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like it, and if you like it, give this video a thumbs up, guys. I'm heading to 10,000 subscribers, so subscribe so that I can hit another milestone. So thank you guys, because it is all for you guys. You're the one who made it. You made this to happen to me. So I give you all this for giving me all the support and everything. So thank you guys, and thank you God for everything. Thank you for your health and everything. So I thank God, and also I thank you guys. Bye bye for now. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.